Hello everyone and welcome. Does your Roblox keeps freezing? Well, I'm here to help you with troubleshooting steps so that you can make your Roblox work again. So let's go. The first thing you need to do is check for Roblox server issues. Now visit the Roblox status page to see if there are any known server outages or maintenance issues. Then you can restart your device. If it's your PC, simply restart your computer. If it's your mobile, restart your phone or tablet. Then you have to close the background applications. With your PC, close any unnecessary programs running in the background, and for mobile, close all other apps running in the background. Next is to update your graphics drivers. For your PC, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. You can usually find the latest drivers on your graphics card manufacturer's website. That is NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Those are examples of your manufacturers. Next, you go to next step, which is to lower your graphics settings. In Roblox, go to Settings, select Graphics and lower the graphics quality. If that doesn't work, you can clear Roblox cache. On the PC, delete the Roblox cache folder. The location may vary depending on your operating system. On your mobile, simply uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Next, if it doesn't work, check your internet connection. Ensure a stable connection, because a weak internet connection can cause Roblox to freeze. So try using a wired connection if possible. If you're using a PC, the next thing you can do is right-click on the Roblox shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Next, disable the antivirus software temporarily. Some antivirus software can interfere with Roblox, so try disabling it temporarily to see if it will resolve the issue. Remember to re-enable it afterwards. If all else fails, just uninstall and reinstall Roblox. This can sometimes resolve persistent freezing issues on your PC. If possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Ensure that you update your operating system with the latest patches and updates. If the freezing occurs in specific games, try verifying the game files within Roblox. If you've tried all the steps and Roblox is still freezing, you may want to reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. Remember, the specific steps may vary slightly depending on your device and operating system. I hope you're able to solve your problem by following the steps. Let us know in the comment section.